radio and Mr. Tony, Aquaba.
Yeah.
We are over here. Now, I'm just Mr. Tony for being on fine.
The CEO, the founder of Victorious Life Express Cargo. The share here over 20 years ago, by the grace of God. And then for about 2 years, he moved the office from The Hague to Amsterdam. And he's the founder, and then he's the CEO and the co-owner of the Victorious Life Express Cargo.
Mr. Tony, you're right. Now, you share America cry at Victorious Cargo, as in Simbibri and Timonka. A dear pan, a cosso of Victorious Cargo.
Yes, sir. Said, we are what it is. And it's not why. Said the Dika kind of Jumanat and what a dad. Namia do most swim. Moma, dear Nema fire, what dear. Ye, Yafam, dear, said the bit my Buagana community. That's our goal. It was 2 years ago, let's say 2016. Anna, all alone, me and my Rania Jumana here and there. So, sometimes you get tired, so you need assistance. See, now, me to talk. Anna, me nya, a grantee, be also were interested. And I'm sure, okay, me proud now you move company number Amsterdam because the reason is Amsterdam. You want the Hague, you about 4 or 5 times a week. And then you do a structure like I find out it's a useless to set it up here. That is a good idea. And you buy. Menene Transit kind of Biama and I say Juma. Along the line now, for the first year, I can say 2016, there is nothing wrong. Niema or Kama, Mubuayem, Emma. Money to for me, I can say for sure, say Yadamasi and Yamishram. It was September 2016. Anna, me who said never been caught me because I have experience of it. I can sense how things are going. Anna me bar. Most of I was in Ghana taking care of the goods so that we will have balance this. So it's a partnership. I gave him partnership. Let me say that way. We did two names there. The Niamaya, you know, so or no crown or more decide they said they can't run the company again. That was September last year. And I'm so, I have passion for this job. But whatever I have, I believe I got it through this. And as Nippon services, I don't want the vision to be dying off. I will take it up. Remember, we decided by the end of the year, remember, now if Madrid, so we wrote a letter everything that we are going to be best of all because the cost is too high. It was agreed. We agreed, said the payment or the shame, me agree, said the man because me buy September, me buy me who be uncle our bank. I draw his attention. I know, or I promise him, say, oh, we'll be rectified by the end of the year. And I'm fine. By the end of the year, now, still the gap is there. We came down and then sit and said, how are we going to about it? Now, it's fine. My job 2 years. All the administration is your hand. But for me to give you your balance, I have to see the administration. Because car, servicing was 8 points. Do we have debt there? Do we have debt in accountant or whatever? So we need more details of it. It will take 1 day or 2 days to do that. And then I won't believe your word. Say, oh, my settle her, but Okwana problem bar, I can't call you back again. And there was a container, LG 33, not almost year, it is being quarter to before. And I'm catching that telephones are off, containers with you, MBF lands, so that we'll finish that container. Now, but from then, my own started being so that maybe take over, so maybe take over. And now I say, even if it's another negotiation can be done, we can do that. That's why I don't have problem. Maybe try that last container. To me, last container, and I send him email for Casan, since I'm a buyer, we never, my partner, we never talk on phone. It's emails. Either he needs something, he send me emails. I will need something, I'll send emails. It was, and then Bible said, can two work together unless they agree.
Yes, sir.
It's very distinct to me. And then I decided, I said, okay, fine. Me take a train and me said nothing is going on. I should come, prepare myself to come and take it up. Eti move on, and after be premier or the container to reference number Bebono. It's another name, no beacons. It's not beacons. Minimum. So I said, what is going on? And I have to try down by here. The ban and your souls and your four say, this is necessary to be a bed 3 containers is on the way. A big crap would drama where he minimum which warehouse, whichever this thing. But people look at me as a woman before Amsterdam mobile, your office running back when he said, or call back, near money, and I'm seeing me and dear. It's what did the paper chairman who said the reference number minimum. Eti emuana me de buy and me buy. Me yes and no. I deal when they send it to me making near my credit. If you say, and then ya me no say, any pabe tune and mark more fonso. Because Sebi, obey me, I can say it for I said, they had group or we door to door, 95% a year, door to door, I'm free they had, they pass through my hands. Either they were travel or they are working with me. Me, I don't afraid of competitor. Obey my whatever there, but don't go with the name of Victorious. Because my building all my life.
Your brand.
Yes. If you can take another whatever you do, but me materials. To see my phone is with them. Victoria's phone is with them. My car truck is with them. I purchased this truck before he came into the company. So I take the rule of law have to come in. I consulted my lawyer, and we are in the process for that.
Okay, Mate. It's your body. You see, I know a thing a banner, the flow company. Now, one so and I see you. Oh, you will see. I can say
Original Victorious Cargo Services.
A dinner.
The original Victorious Cargo Services. The new company Yati. You walk gas in your phone. Now address near and the Roman line and the Roman line. Number 53. Police and the line so postcode near 1103 JL John Leo Gasnoff.
Victorious Life Cargo Express na hot canino. She said
this company can go in na Ameji. There were 3 numbers. Like 3 numbers 06 87 85 71 79. The second one 06 412 52 722. And I was 06 43 78 5008. I any global. Your partner be Amsterdam, Den Hague, and other place. I 3 numbers. So, this side they all bit my picture. I have very easier for say appointment not too long. We can exactly reach you at the point of time. Our offices in Ghana still remain the same. But the main warehouse and the office is still there. It's still pending. Kumasi airport runabout, police station, airport police station opposite is still running. The numbers are used to office line 0203 417825. 0203 417825. Office line and a mobile in Accra. As we are 0244 372532. And the Kumasi DN so 0244 625276. Your forms were you have a funny man, need not be up here also. All the direction is still remaining the same. But be an Victorious. And all the years are minimum. Yes, a sign. Wonderful. It is a beer or big Eddie Victorious ding. I catch us a different place there. And the Miami may send him be.
Amsterdam Hano, she said, watch us more position honor. And I'm more. They said in Pimpins or Born, maybe now persuade the Cogana, a crime vessel, and I'll be now. Apart from the number out there today. Oh, back home, I'll be able to position. Oh, I hope home. So we to cargo for Victorious. We are there, we can make appointment for you. We are very picky. A china crab is a very picky. We are ready. Who is in charge of the items? A normal number of why Nipa Bay and a depot, while or therefore, and a require so for a while, or they no man ever call Ghana a breast say any doing so.
Siciano said, a humanity a cafes, a very fast. Siciano problems, ya, a cray and Yamaka crab bemono. Ama, I say, means me, I say, every week be a bibeco. But as I'm talking to you, you're 1 year more contain them. Last week, you started adding yes, Sanema. With Debia make us one make say, Ubia would be a channel. And yet, because maybe I said, the winning, me mean to me. Ubia would be a media channel. Et meno, the media channel, media may walk a shipment, any clearly need logistics. Although I've gone to school on that, but it means I love to do it. So now, don't my do my way, Biana. Yana, Yamisuma winning dear. A quite beer, a fossil, a map contain and bit me doing Tembian. We have the way out. And the dreams were pine a fast way back there, and also dear in Namiadum.
It is no obedient normal copy madrid say, or the command Victorious Carga, I don't know, office in the
office in the OPM. Oh, yeah, cruise down. Postcode 1103 JL John Leo. An address near and then Roman Prime, number 53. A police for land as well. Baby, or him, Pamadio. Vidan. Okay. It's more Mutino, police station or Vidan Hona, baby, or him, Pamadio. Sa Hona stores no one, Babu so big crowd as a Hona and or it's original Victorious Carga or and also be from beam. That's also a Victorious live Carga and only the say no, a wabban sem. As I said, the person said, and can no not prices no, it's in Siciano, as I have a man as the same price no, I was as our the guidance of the number of quantity items you have. We'll give discount. Because he said, "Ya hati nipa baby." Me a day no course a bami so. Even it's me old phone and I say old number. I'm not using it. We no kura no. Interview I'm granting or sisters station. From there no, I'm not for a friend. It's I say so many people are confused as you said. We will do that to compensate them. And not just a big between 3 to 5%.
Ghana cylinder board in power. A cotton gas cylinder was a filled gas in the boom, oil in the boom, and a person best put the coffee commando, a comma on my main, then a bush and four. Mamma Musao, all your expert was a shipping more power. A dear Benny dear bay, and a ship, a dear Benny dear bay, and any quasi ship. Also, no money boha, and me, sure, said no money, more faster than no more coffee. And no money, but obey you oboha with him. Bibio, Obo said, Obo said, you say, I want you, and I say, one say, I was to any friend, not fat, say, I do the Rebecca. And no more pay now, original Victorious services, more fat, a coffee, and it audience is a car, and no more Monfado, I don't know any hear me, and no more Muntiminfa.
That's original Victorious cargo services. Bibi said, your car, gas, no. Gas, no, dear, it can expose anytime. It even customs were it's not allowed. Because looking at container, we bet my favorite container and say, but in no a cheaper form, because my machine page a pressing, not a strong in other. It means pressure bag gas in this one best food. It's it's not advisable. Ghana for penny and a half for some penny. It's not yes, ultimate. I know that you say, so as you can hang gas or fridge. I know the one, obviously, it's not good for our environment. It costs a lot. And then, and also say, no, and yes, idea, now, apart from that, the gas cooker any age, between the alcohol. Apart from that, iron, whatever, you can take it as electronics.
Now, what do you mean the car and the tracks also? Car, or be say, my own car go, I'm a person can report on that. Made the mark on my finger.
We are teared man over 20 years. That is the questions man for Busa. But me, no, I don't want to be jack of all trades. We be BAB. You can't be effective in one side. It's you concentrate to one side there. You do it and do it perfect. It's I'm not doing cars. We always shape goods. It will name our pallets or whatever. Even if it's commercial, just let us know. You be who can the first.
My father said 4 months near. We should be near maybe up to now and could do it. Before I mean him say same way a person. Now I'm saying Yamin because before officer and cop. And that a woman 1 to 1 if I be picking or see from being a casa. So this thing now okay. When did it start? So that in Crawford or Mushipi or Munyaman within those period no, then they will know who to tap instead of coming to you no more kwasi ho.
The thing is, a Dumano me will say I told Sini Ewa. Supervisions were not there.
Okay.
I saw it. And then I called my partner. Say, look, because container never ban, I will be humble myself and bring it home, being there offloading, and we sort it out. The cook must say, the SCA transport. So what by warehouse? We are capable to take about 4 or 5 containers.
Yes. Even more than that.
Because we have the space.
Yeah.
Then all the forms I have filled, we cross-check. So this thing. Say if there is a problem, instantly I will mail it to my partner here. Say well, this is shortage of this thing. So if you are supervising very good at, you could have known say the idea we ankomu and answer a bebanless container so that we will know how to tell the customer. Sanya many we are lucky. Because we be forward the ban unya resource. At the end of the day, no, not a big issue. There was a woman in America you said, offer me catch them. And was it maybe 2 office and she even came when we were offloading. It is she knew say I didn't echo so but I'm there. How can I listen? Because one thing I learned from this job, say we need to maybe you can't set up this job for somebody to run it for you. You will have problems. You need to be there at least to supervise it, how they load it, how because maybe at the wound no money. To a year ago, the more they want to load, not the NS or this so because when names are a breakable thing and that's in the breakable. Or the idea way to swear. At the end of the day, one agency can load you call, but you are going to face the problem. Liquid soap and the packages. It's very important. Liquid soap, beer. As a business. Me know, say, what the idea qua? I like sometimes you call for advice. How are you going to package it? There are nipa bebre the near maybe sako. My advice no, obey safety. But a beer also sometimes you twin say at the end of the year no, say like liquid soap. Me no, yeah, what of food package from the box from store no. Be a 3 or 4 what setting up with the rubber fan will be a basa a cute we can put it anywhere and besides a better top but uko hipu I didn't want to say ya and answer box museya it's too heavy nobody will carry it to the top of the container a bit what down I'm a nyama beguso a bit pressing a bit blast
pressure yes
pressure bebaso and see sometimes we have to say, I believe say idea be would coffee and you value it. It's and idea. So you have to get it as it is. It is a masana ubekwana papaya. I mean, if you say a waste of money or time, resources, and so on and so forth.
Fine, nipa bay, and a walk master and kaya, or more able to receive goes no amount. And I wow, therefore, I could receive no.
Oh, may I have manager over there? Ewo Accra and Kumasi. This year, the work master no. Only two, but I put the Fred and the Proso de ya watching on a grand what here. And now I am the worker. And Sabi or good fee to acquire within the shame to acquire in a 1 way. He have experience of a hasatana and in the man. Ti one more quadrin about Massacrana. Maybe a quab or two moon. Anna Accra National. I am the war a manager and I'm the war assistant Eric. The numbers in now. No old numbers, no phrases here. We are over. We'll pick it.
Say, I won't be here past the same brain. You dear no mamma. My assurance, I won't be here.
Sir, men only me a man. We must and okre any the landmark. Sir, a near man a bit too dassy. I make catch you. What do you know one day, my then go ahead. Sir, do not say the banner. Etty. When for the movie was Uniani Adria Cotocon and Casronda. Dear, why you be paying? And not winning. Because you have catch or said, send I will be beside me. You see, and now we are starting loading. It's they respond the bebano. Any what you call list by any bit me at my jeans no within 1 week a below the container. And that 2 weeks a below the container. Say, I know a bit with you. Nay, become natural. The course will be an. It's in a buy a due details.
My direction beam so boo Amsterdam Chrome say now per se the normal a be I loading to a be now per the come office never hana. Some direction be more office never.
The office never han gassing off. A year original Victorious Cargo Services. Within this week, the label and I said Sambo a bebo. You know, my budget landline. Ninjano is on the way coming, it's on the pipeline. Eti police for line so number 53. I am marketing opposite ya. Eti one year who ram na so Victoria so me watch Maji small space kakra. You run here man. Meet my cassette if no. The choice is yours. As I said no, me made the case no. Yeah, I presented it to me lawyer advising me. And then I took it. Say, idea I hear to my train there. With me find your juma and manage your juma. That's why we set up a new one. Fine tea. And no, you can be a mess up if it is so. Adia, I bet you a tea for
See, I look at say with the some branches. I do the Hague, Rotterdam, any other places. Now, Pacho says Yawama Yatiasia say, says Yano, I say, will branches, you know, says expand in a sense like Yefra, a bayer in term.
Numbers 3, no, in different cities.
Okay, okay.
But we all work together.
Yes.
It is, for instance, this week you will be free from Rotterdam. So I link the one with the hack to pick it.
Okay.
That very moment, it may catch any parents say, or bang, Abefa was it wow. We catch and say, or bang, and he bear 30 minutes, or many paninya way. My friend, because we were warehouse, my family man with the bams. So it's, you see the strategy we are taking now.
Okay.
Okay. To me, it's perfect.
Okay.
And then we run maybe 2 buses or 3 buses.
Okay.
It depends the appointments that are back.
Okay.
See, me per se, be we still say the quick service. Offer Abia or one of the friend or Ben melted. He may he say, oh, this I've called. Or say, then we'll put it down. And do a ben on Bia. Now, I'll pick it as soon as possible. From now on, I can assure you say appointments and check. Any convenient ma'am. We will make sure that we will do our service quickly as we want.
Okay.
The advice and my in a tea free.
My only 20 years. Time one, me start here, Jumano. Bullet, and in the park, and then the chassis. And now Bullard, now he was in Amsterdam. na me so no me wo da hi eti na me ne kan bibi say me ba to Leiden na obi frem Amsterdam na me ma me am so farmer bullet it's what me no near running that business in the whole country eti edru time we have there the pressure was coming say ni prefer Amsterdam framing a lot na my catch and say what is going on say also okay woman for there dey fine eti me fa ni pa na no who said the service is different and then Amsterdam took it up and almost starting a year eti I can say for Christ can the competitors are more can be like a in a sense I quite remember say we were loading 40-footer container in 2 days. I'm telling you, I've been running this. I was having a driver who drive from 9 to 5, and then 6 to 11. Different driver 6 to 11. Yeah, with 2 groups. 11 o'clock midnight, we are taking some people things in Amsterdam. Those people who have been working with us for long, they know. Yeah. Richard, Joe Boy. That kind of guys I was having, you know, we could set up 2 groups. Now 2 days be a load container. Then a load was Rotterdam. In Rotterdam, they were picking your man waha and they call Rotterdam. When people came in, and I said, "Bia, worker, and I will driver, no swap what TV." I was happy. And I made person minion, that's what I know.
Ufana word na yemfa jumadi no emlawe ye. Siki who say?
When you say Ghana for sometimes you hear parties, you hear Andorra, you hear more Ghana. But now saying amount for minimum 5 or maybe Omuma Ekoye, my many papa, anyway year of Ghana. Nina and Timmy and Kudu. Now what beya we are international. Let us say Victoria Bibia betimi akoswa amam for the normal boy betimi akodura so dwem so ma 6 weeks as so ma 1 month and 1 month o ma 3 weeks and 3 weeks e betimi akodura na we question ya no ya wie ya nka bibia bio
we ya obi ni makosa from America say ya be fa ne niam wo ko yie ni ande ade e ya tete enti ma we atem ma ye madwene po munum say me ka meye me no ade a mempe say obeka na won fulfill it.
Okay.
Minimum transit time, how long is it going to take? And minimum Ghana Port Authority, how long I can create? It's who can you say me mom as I and no any problem.
You get my mom a year from February, January, February, March. Baby, nini be me mo biadi. But what bed say 4 weeks 4 weeks. 3 weeks ma nipa no hu say obetimi akla no ma no okoduru Ghana nkosu bebiro mu koye yie ye maame ne ye papa no ahemfo ahema asofo bebire de nsagu yeti sun ede me pacho bebire Victoria International ye waduma ne ye na Ghana
Mr. Obey aha na ye do besi ye be do se say bigger kind open original Victoria's card services bomode say obefre wo mo ewo 068 78 57 179. It is to be 068 78 57 179 and I say 064 12 52 722 and I say 064 378 508. Ubomodia FS number we are Ubetini Enya original Victoria's card to say my complimentary card no. It is in Obia Airpay baby Eddie normal far. Before Modia say me mefro na fi yedi djuma. Mr. Tony, me do asipi say Yakopon ya adom na changes bia so ba no ma yaswati na yakoso so abodero. Ye no complimentary card dey that dey bia ne bekoso na ya bo hu dewra ma. Ye ko dey bia so no o ma yaswati. Ye na asipi
na mi chance.
You can do